All right, guys, how's it going? We're going to talk about MLGO. It has a nasty, nasty downtrend. It's been going down, quite some time. Is this, a good area to buy? And I really want everyone to try to look into this. Do this strategy. I promise you, you'll be profitable. You'll understand. Instead of just throwing guesses at MLGO, this really is what makes the most sense. It's respecting a trend. It's respecting the EMA5. When it hits EMA5, it rejects and all that. So part of the system is the band strategy. I try to make it as simplistic as possible. When we hit the upper band, price tends to sell off. And when we hit the bottom band, that is an A plus setup. That is your buy zone for bulls. But what if we do not hit it? What if, you do not have to play it based on the ATR4, which is this bottom band here? We can play it multiple ways. We can say, okay, once we have our downtrend, what is the trend that makes the most sense? I drawed out the trend right in here. You can see we're respecting it. And oftentimes when you're in a narrow trend, it's very dicey because as you can see, we're trying to break out, but there's not much room to the upside. I did alert this right in here, right in this area here for this EMA5 touch. And as you can see, price went here to touch the EMA5. And the only reason why I liked it for that is because we haven't touched the EMA5 for quite some time. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. When you don't touch the EMA5 in roughly like around 7 daily candles, you would look for an explosive move up to that. But now that we've had that out of the way, you can see that we're just jumping around here, right? Your obvious buys are going to be near the trend channel here. As you can see, you can get kind of a little bit of jumps. But in here, I just didn't really see much risk versus reward. Yes, it bounced up to the EMA5. We acted as the middle trend as support and bounce here. But until I get at least under the middle channel trend, maybe I would take it. But for me, I want to make sure we have more time distance. And what I mean by that is, how often have we not hit the EMA 10 and 20? The yellow and the blue band are the prices where price has to hit. We know it will hit it. We know it has to hit it. Anything that don't touch it in 1 month for the EMA 10 is very long, guys. Keep these formulas in your mind. You'll see that it works often a lot. You'll be like saying, oh, it hasn't touched the EMA 10 in like a month and like probably like a week. And then you see price just explode up to it. So our current data is 705. July 5th was our current data for the EMA 10. We're at 731. So in next week's time frame, yes, I might look into MLGO for an explosive move up. And if you look at the chart, we know this chart can get going. This is an example of a chart where price is very volatile. We have big, massive green candles. And on the downside, we have red candles. We know not to ever take price when it starts moving up at the upper bands here, as that is where price tends to sell off. This is very dangerous. It's very risky, and oftentimes you will lose. So some of the biggest moves that are going to happen is when price hits this EMA 20, and you can head on over to the upper band. But the problem is you take the risk for it to head to the downside, to the lower band. But the way I want to play this is one, get the time distance on the EMA 10 and 20. EMA 10 is going to be your first target, guys. This right here has not got touched in almost a month. So we know that's going to get touched. And if we do a calculation, 142, use your percentage change calculator. 1.42. So if we were looking to get an EMA 10 touch at 217, it's going to fluctuate. We'll look at that in a minute. You're looking at a 52% increase to the EMA 10. Very conservative. EMA 20, you're looking around 342. So you're looking at 140% gain. That's if it hits the EMA 10 and 20, and that's the kind of the ranges you want to look at. If there's not range, then it's not worth taking, because as you can see, the EMA 10 is going to fluctuate around 14 cents. So we want to get our averages in aligned with that, and we want to make sure that we're buying near the bottom trend channel. It doesn't have to be exact. You can get pretty close to it, accumulate some, and then, but as you can see, we will respect this bottom trend channel. And I think we can have an explosive move. This is definitely on watch. It's not out of the papers here. It made a 6% gain today. Congrats to anyone that bought the bottom here. You know, I think it went over 10%. Could have made a nice little gain there. But the problem is a lot of people probably bought way up in here and are unfortunately back holding. But this, I'm telling you guys, do this strategy, learn from it, and you will be profitable. I've been loving this strategy. I've been doing this for over 6 years, over 95% win ratio, been adjusting it. It works to a T, and I think you guys are going to learn a lot from it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and understand how price action works, understand why we do the reversion to the mean, why algos have to take it to places, when it does, the formulas involved in that, and everything, along with live training that I do, join the Discord. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll pin the link to join the Discord, and it'll be in the description. You can't miss it. It'll say join the premium Discord. When you come in, hit how to subscribe. You'll be in the free chat. Hit how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, you will have to subscribe on computer. If you don't have a computer, let me know. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. So when you go on over to the server shop in the top left, you're going to learn how to trade like a pro. We have 2 services, and I'm telling you, they're the cheapest services compared to most Discord members that charge hundreds of dollars and make you still a losing trader. This service, you're going to keep more money in your pocket, and you're going to be a successful trader. For $6 a month, we have the swing trading. Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and it's been absolute fire. And I don't just say that. I have results to show it. The day trading is honestly my favorite style. For people who like to get massive gains, have smaller accounts, even if you only have $200, I guarantee you we can get that close to $1,000 in a 1-month time frame. I'm almost sure of it. And this strategy is absolutely amazing, guys. So if you want to join, hit this Day in Swing Trading Plus. $12 a month will give you access to everything. Swing trading, day trading. And if you subscribe, do it on your computer. It is slightly cheaper, and you'll avoid the iOS fee. And just to show I'm not just talking and everything, you can see over here, I have my RTK journal. When you subscribe, you'll have access. And you can see the real-time results, the real trades I'm in, the actual percentages, and the wins I'm doing. If you go to the day trades, they have been absolutely insane. Lots of massive gains, and a lot of these trades you're holding within a 10-minute time frame. You are getting in and out. We're using options that expire very fast, and you're going to make massive gains. And it's such a high win ratio that I am very confident to show you guys this strategy to make you guys lots of money. We have day trading education to show you guys, day trade alerts. We took NVIDIA here, NVIDIA puts, swing trading education, swing trading alerts. You're going to have it all, and more importantly, the RTK live stream. If you guys want to see me trade live, you are more than welcome to join in. I'm going to show you guys all that stuff and alert it. This is the MLGO. I'm still waiting on my hands. I want to make sure we have a little more EMA 20 and 10 time distance. I do suspect an EMA 10 touch here soon. It could be the next day, who knows, but I want to make sure we get below this middle channel here, and we should have that bounce up here. So keep this one on alert. We do have a very low K. It's at 6.46. Lower the K, the better. And that's really how we had this pump here. This K on this candle was about 4.75. So that's really pretty extremely low. Our last pump right here, if you look on my stochastic oscillator, was 3.95. So around the 4 area, this stock loves to do a nice little pump, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. I promise you, you guys will be profitable traders with an over 95% win ratio. You are in good hands. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and hope to see you guys in the next video.